You're welcome back, traders. You're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be diving into an incredibly effective and straightforward method for short-term Forex trading. Okay, and specifically, we are going to be talking about the Zigzag Forex Scalping strategy. Okay, so that is the strategy that we are going to be discussing in this video. Now, this strategy is actually perfect for simplifying your trading approach while still maintaining precision and control. Okay, so if you are looking for a way to cut through market noise and focus on high probability setups, then stick around. We're going to be covering everything that you need to know about the zigzag indicator, how to use it for scalping, and practical tips to make it work for you. Okay, now before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more simplified trading strategies and tips. Okay, now let us just get right into it. First of all, let us talk about the zigzag indicator. Now, the zigzag indicator is actually a custom indicator. All right, and because it's a custom indicator, you will need to download this indicator from an external source. All right, from an external site, and after doing that, you will now have to add it to your indicators library before you'll be able to use it on your chart. Okay, so you can see this is the zigzag indicator, and this is how it looks like. Okay, now this indicator is designed to filter out market noise by highlighting significant price swings. Okay, now unlike other indicators, it doesn't predict future price movements. Okay, because as you can see, the indicator does not go ahead of price, right? As you can see, the indicator, you can see it stopped here. It doesn't go ahead of price, right? So it doesn't predict future price movements. Instead, it helps you to focus on clear trends and reversals that have already occurred. Okay, so now the zigzag indicator works by connecting swing highs and swing lows. As you can see, it connects swing highs and swing lows on a chart based on a percentage move or pip distance. Okay, now you can actually adjust its sensitivity by tweaking its settings. Okay, now that is if you want to, right? If necessary, yeah, because let's just quickly go to inputs. Right, you can see depth, deviation, backstep, and also if you actually want to tweak the settings, you can go ahead and do that, but it's not exactly necessary. Okay, by simplifying price action, the zigzag indicator allows you to focus on the most relevant parts of the market, making it ideal for scalping. Okay, now that we know what the zigzag indicator does, let us now talk about how to use it for scalping. Okay, basically, like I already mentioned, this is a custom indicator. Okay, and before you'll be able to add it to your platform, this is the MetaTrader 4 platform. All right, you would have to download it first, and you have to open your terminal. And after if you have not yet added the indicator to your indicators library, you have to open your terminal. You go to file, you go to open data folder, you have to go to MQL4, go to indicators, and the downloaded file, you have to paste it inside indicators. Okay, and then you have to restart your terminal, all right, so that the indicator can now appear. Then after that, you have to go to file, you have to go to insert, the usual way to insert indicators. You go to insert, you go to indicators, you go to custom, and then you select the zigzag indicator, which you have just newly added. All right, so it's very easy, right? It's very easy to use. So once you have added the indicator to your chart, you're going to see lines connecting significant highs and lows on the chart. Okay, now to fine-tune the indicator for scalping, you can actually decide, maybe you want to focus on scalping, you can actually decide to adjust the deviation or the depth settings. All right, you can see that there is a setting for deviation, there's a setting for depth. So you can actually try to adjust it, right? A lower setting will make the zigzag more sensitive, capturing smaller swings, which is great for scalping. Okay, however, be cautious not to set it too low, as this can lead to excessive noise. All right, this can lead to excessive noise. So you might actually decide to experiment with the settings in order to find the right balance for your trading style. Now let us talk about how to actually use the zigzag indicator for scalping. The key here is to identify opportunities based on price reversals and momentum. So here's a simple three-step process, okay? The first step is to identify the trend. So you have to use the zigzag indicator in combination with a trend confirmation tool like a moving average, for example. Okay, so I'm just going to add a moving average to the chart so to pay attention to that. All right, so if the price is actually above the moving average, you focus on buy opportunities. Okay, if it's below, you look for sell opportunities. Now the next is to spot entry points. So you look for the zigzag to create a new swing low in an uptrend. Okay, so if we have an uptrend, right, we'll be looking for the zigzag to create a new swing low. Okay, so after it has created a swing low, you can then look for buy opportunities, right? But if it's a sell trend, you should be looking for the zigzag to create a new swing high. All right, so you're looking for the zigzag indicator to create a new swing high. Okay, then you have to also set your stops and targets, right? So for example, let's say um you enter the you enter the buy trade right after the swing low was formed. You can set your stop loss just below the nearest swing low, right? You can set your stop loss below that swing low, and you can see that it even coincided with this trend line support. Or you can actually decide to also set it just below this one, right, in case of if the price declines further. But if this structure is valid, it shouldn't go below this one, right? So you can set your stop loss below the previous swing low, and then for your targets you can use a fixed pip value, or you can aim for the next significant resistance. All right, so in this case you can be aiming for this, right, or you can be aiming for this, right? You can be aiming for this. Okay, now here are a few tips to maximize your success with a zigzag scalping strategy. The first is to combine tools. Okay, so you might want to use the zigzag indicator with other tools like the moving averages, of course, and you can also add the RSI. All right, you can add the RSI to the chart. You can use the zigzag indicator alongside RSI just to confirm your trades. Okay, and then time your trades. Stick to active market hours when volatility is higher, such as the London or New York sessions. Okay, and then finally, risk management is important. So always use a stop loss and stick to a consistent risk to reward ratio. All right, scalping can involve frequent trades, so proper risk management is crucial. Now, by following these tips, you will not only improve your execution but also build confidence in your trades. Now, before we wrap up, let's quickly go over some common mistakes that traders make when using the zigzag forex scalping strategy. One of them is overtrading. Okay, so do not enter every swing shown by the zigzag indicator. Focus on high quality setups that align with the trend. Okay, always try to trade in the direction of the trend. All right, it is very important. Another thing that you should avoid is ignoring market context. All right, pay attention to support and resistance levels, they're important, and avoid trading during major news events. Okay, and then another thing is, in aspect of misusing the indicator. All right, the zigzag indicator is a lagging tool, right? So do not rely on it for predictions. Use it to confirm what has already happened. Okay, and there you have it, a simple yet powerful approach to scalping with a zigzag indicator. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader, This strategy can help you streamline your trading process and focus on high probability setups. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and strategies. Let me know in the comments if you use the zigzag indicator or if you have questions about this strategy. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.